Welcome to Transcend Money Community. My name is Tony, and today's video we're gonna analyze the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'm gonna share my trades in leverage markets. Thank you very much for all the subscribers and all the new likes. Okay, let's start with Ethereum. Ethereum is right now in this range, fighting since January, from this point to this point, and now is building pressure, ready to explode. I think we are preparing, the market is preparing to a mini bull run, and we want to see why is that, not just in the liquidation map, but also in some news coming from Asia. I'm gonna share with you the trades I'm gonna do in Ethereum, but first I'm gonna I would like to mention something that is happening in the price of Bitcoin that I think is quite fascinating, and is a pattern that happened in the last bull run. Because look, we were talking about this in the Spanish channel, that we had here a cap and handle, and then we have this correction, okay? And that's great, and we reached the target. But look this. This I think is quite interesting. We go into the last bull run after the bear market, and look what we have here. I think it's quite similar. Let me know in the comments, because look, we have here what I can see. Here we have a cap and handle, and then a higher market correction, and then an explosion. And right now, because I'm not in logarithmic scale, it's like not so spectacular. But if we went from here to here, it's 63%, about 63% profits. So not bad, right? So I think we are in a quite similar situation. Plus, if we check these trend lines, look, this is unbelievable. And we were talking this for a long time in the Spanish channel also. Look, we have this trend line with this one, and both of them we already break it in this explosion after the cap and handle. Look here, unbelievable. So I think it's quite shocking that for a lot of people that we can go to a bull market very soon. I don't mean tonight, but very soon, and we can go to fight the $30,000. Obviously, first we're gonna go by steps, and probably we're gonna go to the 26, then 28, and then we fight the 30s. So for that reason, and another new I'm gonna show you, I'm quite I'm tend to think that the price is gonna be higher in the next month. So I'm gonna check here 1 hour. And look also, I'm gonna show you another pattern, and because that pattern, I'm gonna place a trade in leverage market, but also I'm gonna buy in spot Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I think the probabilities are quite high. So we're gonna check the liquidation price, and also, want to mention, look what we have here. Now China is printing money again, and I think, let me your thoughts in the comments, but I think because China is printing money, China is gonna force the rest of the countries of the world to start to print again, and with this it's gonna force US to print more money and not increase the rates of the dollar. Why? Because if China is the Chinese yuan gets very cheap, then everyone is gonna buy from China, even more than now. And all the companies from Europe and US, they could not compete with China. So if China is going for inflation, then I think the rest of the countries, at least they have to go, maybe not crazy, but they have to relax the policy they have right now, especially the Fed in US. So for that reason, I'm also bullish, because if we have inflation, I think all the prices are gonna go up, including crypto. So, and if we go in the short term in this area, look, in my opinion, what I'm seeing is here a quite clear resistance, and also here we have a local trend line. So with this, what we have is a ascending triangle, right? Triangle. I don't know how to pronounce it in English, but I will try my best. I will keep improving. So I think the price of Bitcoin is going to explode very soon, because normally this pattern, what tends to do is being bullish. And with that, we can go to the 26,600. And if we go into the liquidation map, what we see here in the dot green lines is the current price. And then all these are long positions. And these long positions can be liquidated by the market makers. And then all this from the right can be, they are shorts, in fact. And they can be liquidated also for with intention to make money for the market makers. I try to do my best. And then, so what we have here. So I think, of course, the price is gonna oscillate. We don't know in which direction first, but probably I think maybe we're going to go for the 24,400 or even for the 24K. And then we're gonna go to the market makers are gonna liquidate these shorts up to 25 or even 25,500. So this is my theory, and because that, I'm gonna put a trade at 24 just in case the price of Bitcoin is going lower, and I'm gonna make a leverage market perpetual futures 10x. I'm gonna show you at the end of the video. I'm gonna place the trade. So I'm gonna go around this area in this support is 2458 in fact. And I'm gonna place here the order, and then the stop loss. So it's gonna be around 2.2 in without leverage, but with leverage it's gonna be 22% because it's 10x. And then for the take profit area, I'm going for this target at 8% in the market. Spot market, so 80% profits. Okay, so I'm gonna take this position and I'm gonna bring it to BYBIT. So 2458. This is gonna be when we enter in the market. The take profit is gonna be 26,306, and then the stop loss is gonna be 23,620. So here we go. Fantastic. And so as you know, right now I have a Spanish channel and we have a Telegram group. I'm gonna open also another one in English. And if you don't have an account yet in BYBIT, you can go to the description of this video and you will have the links of several exchanges. And I totally recommend BYBIT if you are not in US and Spain. And the other ones if you are in more restricted areas or if you don't want to use NordVPN. So, and you have $30,000 in BYBIT, by the way, and it's like 30 seconds and you can register super fast and start to trading today. So here I have my trading bot that now is a -8, waiting for an explosion of the price of Ethereum. This is what the robot is thinking. And then I'm gonna change to my other account. That is the one I'm using for YouTube, this one. Fantastic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some trades in derivatives, and then I'm gonna buy on spot Bitcoin and Ethereum. And let's go for it. So first I'm gonna place the order USDT perpetual. And by the way, I didn't say this before, but from the yesterday video, I placed this order in Ethereum. So hoping the price is gonna go to this support area and then explode. So to increase my position, long position in Ethereum. So that position is this one. Sorry, it's not position, it's an order, it's an active order. And now I'm gonna place another order for the price of Bitcoin. So the entry price is 24,158. And then if, look here, there are 3 options. I mean, order by value, that is basically how many BTC we're gonna buy. And I'm gonna enter with $1,000, and 10x I need just $100, and then I will place buy order, so open long, and I'm gonna control my risk with take profit and stop loss, and the take profit we mentioned is 26,306, and then the stop loss is gonna be 23,620. And if I move myself from this position, then you will see which are the information that BYBIT is giving us. So basically it's saying that with $22 on risk, we can earn $88. So best situation, we earn $88. Worst situation, we lose $22. But we have to put $100 in this trade. But the risk is just this 22 that is the stop loss. So with this information, we're gonna agree, open long, confirm, and we have here the other position apart of Ethereum. Fantastic. So now what I'm gonna do, and you know, you saw it, I was in derivatives, USDT, perpetual BTC, USDT, fantastic. And now what we're gonna do is we're going to trade spot trading. So spot trading, basically what we're gonna do is I'm gonna buy, let's say, I'm gonna buy $600 in Bitcoin and $400 Ethereum. So right now we have we are in Bitcoin USDT, and here we can choose the price we want to buy. So right now this is the more or less the price we have, 24,684, and so we have two ways to do it. One, we do market, and then just we say how much we want to buy, and then the BYBIT is gonna buy at the current price. And the other one, we can do limit, and just we put the price we want. So for example, let's say if I'm going to 1 hour candles, yeah, the price is pretty flat. I'm gonna buy here. Can go down the price, yes, for sure. But now I feel comfortable to buy Bitcoins. So I'm gonna buy $600 of Bitcoin right now at this price, 24,6. In fact, I'm gonna put this price. So it's gonna take, it's not gonna buy immediately, it's gonna wait for the price go down to 684. Okay, so I'm gonna buy, fantastic, buy. So now we have an order waiting for the price to go 24,684. Okay, fantastic. When it's going to happen, we don't know, but probably in few moments. And we have all the information. In fact, if I'm not very weird, yeah, I'm too weird. But okay, I'm going to place myself here. Then we're going to buy the Ethereum. We're going here and choose Ethereum, and then I'm going to do $400, and also I'm going to go 1695. And sorry, 400 Ethereums. No, I wish, but not. $400 here is 0.23 Ethereums. Okay, so I'm gonna buy 1695, so the price have to go a little bit down. I buy Ethereum, and the orders are placed there waiting to be executed. So we can go to spot orders, and we can see here if they are triggered or not with a close. Fantastic. USDT perpetual, yes. And okay, so go for the next one. I think we are set up with this. We talk about the US, and also we can mention the BUSD, that right now, you know that a lot of people is moving to Bitcoin because the security exchange of US is like ticket fine a lot of companies, crypto companies, because they say that the tokens they have, they are securities, so then they have to declare the return of that year and pay the tax. And because they didn't, for example, Kraken, so they have to pay a fine of $30 million. And now BUSD from Binance is in a little bit of trouble, and for that reason the market capitalization of BUSD is going down, moving to USDT, USDC, and I think also to BTC and Ethereum, and for that reason we have this shoot in the last days. And so yeah, let's see what's going on with BUSD, but I think it's good for Bitcoin that is keep going up. So thank you very much, guys, and if you are interested in more videos in English, please let me know, and then I will open a new channel a part of the Spanish channel, and then I will place all the videos there, and also I will open a new Telegram for English speakers and also for another Discord for English speakers. That's great. So thank you very much, a lot of fortune and luck, and see you at the next video.